I created this in 2018 for a play version of the movie Fright Night, held here in Pittsburgh by Rage of the Stage Players. Um, they had given me this hand. I believe it actually is a vintage hand chair. They still make these currently. But you can see here I used craft foam to create eruptions in the skin, filled them with a spray foam, then painted them out with black and a blood red to look like bursting sores. The nails are made from plexiglass. I roughed up with a Dremel tool, sprayed them with a combination of yellows and browns to bring out the details. And then I used spray foam to also create the gore around the fingers, trying to avoid the palm itself where someone might be sitting down. You'll see I then went back over with black to bring out some skin details and more spray foam for more gore. And finally, there is at the bottom some white sheet folded over cardboard to make a cuff for the shirt with some permablood. And that was about the end of it. It ended up being used in the play. And check it out. Thanks so much.